this will be all right. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Oh, it's locked. My husband won't be home for another 6 hours. Great. Well, kind of warm, right? Hey guys, welcome back to MDC Beauty / my special effects corner. Today I'm going to be doing a frostbite look. The whole concept was I was outside in the garden, my husband's at work, and I try to go back in the house and the door is locked, and I was out there for 6 hours, and this is what happens. I got frostbite. So that is the concept that I was thinking of, and I thought it was amazing, and I think this look came out beautifully, exactly how I pictured. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, keep on watching.
Alright, we're going to take liquid latex. I like putting it on a plate whenever I'm working with it, just so it's easier. And I'm just going to start stippling it where I think frostbite would be: on your cheeks, on your nose, maybe on your forehead, your chin. I just kind of put this everywhere, and I did multiple layers, probably about 3 layers, just so it's nice and thick. And I had to close my eyes because the latex was burning my eyes, but I used a fan to let it dry a little bit. And then after that, I started peeling it off with a pair of tweezers. Just not really peeling it off, but you're just trying to make a hole in it. I use Graphtobian setting powder to set the prosthetic or latex. I use my tinted hydrator from 1 Mile to apply foundation so it blends seamlessly. I love this foundation. It's amazing. Especially for special effects, I always use it. I made a wrinkle face so I can get some creases in my lips too. It's all for the process. I used my injury wheel of Graphtobian, and I took the red first and did the redding in the holes where I had the latex ripped. This is just going to give it a little bit more of a third degree frostbite effect. I took the blue color in the wheel. It's like a blue-gray color, and I put that right on top. This is going to give it that frosty, kind of brownish, blackish, like you've been sitting outside for 6 hours waiting for your husband to get home, you know. You're going to notice that the red actually does come out whenever I'm starting to tap it. I like to use my fingers to blend, and the red just kind of came off, but I fixed it later. I use a white eyeshadow pencil from 1 Mile to do my eyebrows. I wanted them to look frosty, like I've been standing outside for 6 hours waiting to let back inside. I also did my lashes too with that same pencil. I used the NYX Brights palette. I used the purple and the red and the blue. I like to use this to do some shading around my eyes, and I kind of did shading around the other parts. And I also used a liner pencil to make veins that come out of my face. I did not show that because I don't know where that clip went, but I used a liner brush and I just made veins coming out of my nose and where it was frostbitten. Next, I'm taking mica powder. That's actually COSMETIC Grade, and this is what I use to make the frosty effect on my face. I actually didn't know that I could use this mica powder until I looked it up. It was actually my mom's, and it says COSMETIC Grade, so I was like, that's a score. It worked out pretty good though. I used my congregated blood that obviously the case for the top of it is broken, but I used that to apply blood because you can't ever go wrong with congregated blood. Then I used the blue eyeshadow, just like what's extra on the brush, and I just brushed it on my lips. I kind of did that wrinkly face again, and then I used white face paint to tap it on my lips to give it that frosted effect as well. And that's it. That's basically how you do a frostbite look.
6 hours later, but it's fine. I'm okay. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!